Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the Tony's Chocolonely Milk Almond Honey Nougat. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet is a Tony's Chocolonely Milk Almond Honey Nougat chocolate bar, and taking a look at the details of the packet. And at the underside or back of the packet, there is some information about Tony's Chocolonely, as well as the ingredients list and nutrition information. Now let's go ahead and open up the packet by peeling off the outer paper wrapper. And on the underside of the wrapper there is some information about Tony's Chocolonely story as well as mission. And setting that to the side and bringing the foil wrapped Tony's Chocolonely Milk Almond Honey Nougat chocolate bar. It does have a 180-gram weight. Let's go ahead and unwrap and tear open that aluminium foil. To reveal the chocolate bar and giving you a look further out, and of course closer in. You can see those little specks of pieces of honey nougat across the entire chocolate bar. And let's flip it over to reveal the top side of the Tony's Chocolonely Milk Almond Honey Nougat, and giving you a look right there. Once again we see those little pieces of honey nougat dotted across the chocolate bar. And to give you some idea of the size, of course, resting the chocolate bar in my palm, so 180 grams of this milk almond honey nougat. And of course giving you a look at the thickness of the chocolate bar as well. It does have quite a chunky construction or manufacturing. So right there, trying my best to give you a look at the sides and getting the camcorder to focus. So having a little bit of difficulty there, but right there, finally achieving focus on the chocolate bar. And taking some close-up looks, and we can see that there is that anti-slavery motif or design with the broken chain link. And of course the Tony's Chocolonely logo right there. And of course the uneven, irregular pieces of chocolate. Now let's break off a piece and giving you a look at the cross section right there. And now breaking the piece down a little bit more, and then we can taste it. So giving you a look at this broken off piece that we've just snapped off. And let's break it down slightly further. So right there, just snapping it once again into two smaller pieces, and let's pop one piece off the smaller piece in my mouth and taste it. So it does have a smooth texture, the milk chocolate, along with those, of course, very fine pieces of almond and honey nougat dotted across the entirety of the chocolate bar. So right there you can see just in this larger piece of the smaller broken off section. And now let's taste this piece, popping it in my mouth. So quite a sweet tasting chocolate bar with those crunchy little pieces of almond and honey nougat in it. So that's the Tony's Chocolonely Milk Almond Honey Nougat. Thanks for watching and happy eating!